In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size and headings in Notion. First, open Notion in your web browser and open the workspace where you want to work. Navigate to the page you want to format. When the page loads, click into the block of text you want to adjust. If you want to format a whole paragraph, a quick triple click selects the entire block. Otherwise, click and drag to highlight the text you're focused on. As soon as your text is selected, a small toolbar appears above your selection. Look for the option that reads Text. Click it and you'll see choices like Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and Text. These control the size and style of that block. Heading 1 is the largest and is best for the main title or top-level sections. Heading 2 creates strong section headings beneath that. Heading 3 is slightly smaller, perfect for subsections. Text returns the block to a regular paragraph. A quick note on how Notion applies these changes. Headings are block-level formatting. Even if you only highlight a few words in a block, switching to a heading converts the entire block into that heading style. If you need only part of your content emphasized, keep it as text and use bold or color instead, or split content into separate blocks before changing the style. If you change your mind, open that same menu again and switch back to text to return to the normal paragraph size. Repeat this on any block across the page to create a clean structure. As a guideline, use Heading 1 for the page title, Heading 2 for main sections, Heading 3 for subsections, and Text for body copy. To speed things up, you can use the slash command like /H1, /H2, or /H3, or keyboard shortcuts such as Command Option 1 on Mac or Control, Alt 1 on Windows for Heading 1, with 2 and 3 for the other levels. And that's it. By selecting your text, opening the text menu, and choosing the appropriate heading size, you've organized your Notion page for readability and quick scanning. Your changes save automatically, so you're all set.